15 brain teasers to challenge you. Question 1. I am the king of the jungle, and my roar is loud. Who am I? Lion. Question 2. I have black and white stripes and look like a horse. What animal am I? Zebra. Question 3. I am the largest mammal in the ocean and can sing songs underwater. Who am I? Whale. Question 4. I hop around and have long ears, and I love to eat carrots. What am I? Rabbit. Question 5. I have a long neck, and I eat leaves from tall trees. Who am I? Giraffe. Question 6. I can change my colors to match where I am and hide from predators. What am I? Chameleon. Question 7. I am small, I can fly, and I buzz around flowers collecting nectar. Who am I? Bee. Question 8. I'm known for my speed, and I have spots all over my body. What animal am I? Cheetah. Question 9. I live in the ocean and have 8 arms. Who am I? Octopus. Question 10. I am a big bird that cannot fly, but I'm very fast on land. What am I? Ostrich. Question 11. I live in the desert, and I store water in my humps. What animal am I? Camel. Question 12. I live in the rainforest, and I'm known for swinging from tree to tree. Who am I? Monkey. Question 13. I'm an animal that sleeps upside down and flies at night. What am I? Bat. Question 14. I have a shell on my back, and I move very slowly. What am I? Turtle. Question 15. I am black and white, and I live in the Arctic. Who am I? Penguin. Thanks for playing.